Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 12 of exercise 5.2. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Two APs. Their difference between their 100th term is 100. Then what is the difference between their 1000th term? Definitely the answer will be in your mind is 1000. That answer is wrong. I will explain this question with the help of one simple example. Consider the AP 2, 5, 8 etc. and another AP 10, 13, 16 etc. Both have the same common difference. It is 3. Now let us find the difference of the first terms, difference of second terms, difference of third terms etc. Let us see what will happen. Now you can see the difference is same everywhere. The difference of first terms it is 8, difference of second terms it is also 8, difference of third terms it is also 8. So we can conclude if there are two APs with the same common difference, then the difference of the first terms or the difference of second terms, difference of third terms, everything will be same. So we can conclude the answer of this question. If the difference of 100th term is 100, then the difference of 1000th term is also 100. Let us write the steps. There are two APs. So first AP we can consider case 1. In the first AP we can write 100th term. A100 equal to A1 plus 99D. A1 is the first term of first AP and A1000 equal to A1 plus 999D. For the second AP we can write A100 equal to A2 plus 99D and A1000 equal to A2 plus 999D. In the question it is given the difference of 100th term is 100. So we can write A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D equal to 100 because this is the 100th term of first AP. This is the 100th term of second AP. So we can remove the bracket here. A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D equal to 100. Plus 99D and minus 99D cancelled and we get A1 minus A2 equal to 100. Now let us find out the difference of 1000th term, that is equal to A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D. Let us remove the bracket. We get A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D plus 999D and minus 999D cancelled and we get A1 minus A2. And we have proved already A1 minus A2 equal to 100. So this one we can write it as 100. So here we found the difference of 100th term, here we found the difference of 1000th term. In both cases we got the difference is 100. So we can conclude if the difference of 100th term is 100, then difference of 1000th term is also 100. Exercise 5.2 question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Means we need to find out the number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. So first we need to find out which is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. We know the first 3-digit number is 100. It is not divisible by 7. So to find out the first 3-digit number divisible by 7, you divide 100 by 7. So if we divide 100 by 7, we get a quotient 14 and a remainder 2. So 100 is not divisible by 7. If we divide it, we are getting remainder 2. So 100 minus 2, that is 98. 98 is the last 2-digit number divisible by 7. 98 is the last 2-digit number divisible by 7. So next number or next multiple of 7 is a 3-digit number. So to get the next multiple, you just add 98 plus 7. Then we get 105. 105 is divisible by 7. 105 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. So To find out the first 3-digit number, first you divide 100 by 7, find out the remainder, subtract that remainder from 100, we get 98, then add 98 plus 7. Then we got the first 3-digit number divisible by 7, it is 105. Now let us find out the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. To find out the last 3-digit number divisible by 7, you divide 1000 by 7. If we divide 1000 by 7, we get quotient 142 and remainder 6. So 1000 is not divisible by 7. We are getting remainder 6. So you subtract 6 from 1000, we get 994. So 994 is the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. 105 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. 994 is the last 3-digit number divisible by 7. I hope you understood this step, how to find out the first 3-digit number and last 3-digit number. Now let us do the problems. So we can write A equal to 105, D equal to 7, AN equal to 994. The formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 994 equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into 7. Let us change the sides. 105 plus n minus 1 into 7 equal to 994. n minus 1 into 7 equal to 994 minus 105. n minus 1 into 7 equal to 889. n minus 1 equal to 889 divided by 7, that is n minus 1 equal to 127. n equal to 127 plus 1, that is n equal to 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.